Hi guys, thank you for visiting my Facebook page and subscribing to my YouTube channel.
My name is Esti. I'm a Singaporean living in North Sweden in a small little town called Skellefteå. I love to eat and experiment healthy international cuisine. So 6 years ago, I started a YouTube channel. My recipes are Asian and Swedish influenced. I try to make it as easy as possible so you too can be successful in your kitchen.
Live streaming is the best way to communicate with my followers.
So do join me at my live cooking show over weekend at Facebook Live and YouTube. I will try to answer all your questions in the comment in real time. Occasionally, you will find vlogs about my daily life and some travel tips about Sweden and Singapore.
Besides live cooking and creating videos about travel tips, I also run a bed and breakfast here in Skellefteå. So, if you are looking for a place to stay when you visit Skellefteå, don't forget to check out our bed and breakfast. I will include the link below. At Facebook, you will find notification and live video on my next live stream. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's for free. All you need to do is to click onto the blue button, watch video, that will link you to my YouTube channel, and there you could set notification on to subscribe to my live streaming and of course video too. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again in my next live streaming. Bye!